Hello, myself Ashmit Tripathy. I'm currently studying in class 10. As we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic as well as the national lockdown has been very difficult on all of us, especially as students have had it the roughest. We have to deal with all of our academic syllabus through online modes, which has been very tiresome and exhausting. I stumbled upon Young Tinker to try out their trial classes. I did so and found that I really enjoyed it and wanted to learn more from them. So I enrolled for the basic satellite designing course. My kit arrived shortly after that, and I started my classes around summer break. My teacher is a very considerate and fun teacher. I found that teaching was very fun and intuitive for me. Throughout the short time I had, I felt that I learned a lot more than I would have otherwise. I learned more about C++ coding language, some basic components of a CubeSat, as well as the fundamental points of how a satellite is constructed. Overall, I would like to really thank Young Tinker for having provided me with the opportunity to learn more. Recommend anyone who has the resources and time to tune in with them. Thank you.